shit.
Oh! Hello legends and choppers and heli heads, welcome to this video where we're going to be taking a look at radio controlled helicopter crashes. We'll find it's not just the stick bangers and twizzle whizzle thumbs that pile in, it's also our scowl friend flyers too. So grab a coffee, sit back and watch for the next 5 minutes or so some glorious helicopters pile in, and let this be a lesson to you. Don't fly above your means. Stick Bangers Inc. Let's cut the grass. That's not a Flymo, is it? Beautiful Jet Ranger scale model using a fly-barred system where you have small paddles at perpendicular angles to the main blades at 90 degrees, provide additional balance, and of course means you're communicating directly with the servos. And that looks like a tail strike. Such a shame, a lot of money. And that looks like it's got a tail issue. Stick bangers are amazing, aren't they? But they run huge risks with their machines. And that was a tail strike on the concrete. And a big hit there. They run huge risks to their wallet and to their machines, but no one can deny the great show they put on. Here's an Augusta scale model. The Germans love their scale models, and this is going to go into a vortex ring state where its forward momentum is not in parity with its descend rate, and that's what happens. Beautiful 600 size airball shook itself to bits. That looks like
walking out there to get that.
I wouldn't walk out there either, mate.
That's what we do for you.
And that's what we do for you. Flying indoors is great, but dangerous. Sub 500, I think. Well, it was. And this is another scale model from our German friends. I believe this is an MD 500. Have a look at the cockpit. D is rounder than an E. Oh, and that's a turbine, so there's a jet engine in there. Oh, and that was a hard hit too. Konnichiwa! Bit of grass cutting, or field cutting, whichever one you want to have, whichever one you want to choose. Oh my God! Little Blade 230S. Yeah. Lovely, lovely, not lovely. That is a Little Bird. The Little Bird, a beautiful scale model. This particular pilot is very well known in scale flying and exceptionally talented. So I think he knew he had a problem and brought it down fairly sort of safely. Yeah, just hit the tail on the bottom there, didn't he? Trex 700X. Forward flip and into the ground. The wonderful Avant Mostro. Rarely do you see these, and you certainly don't see them like that. Oh, that would have caused a lot of damage. Straight into... Oh, that would have hurt. Now this made me cry when I first saw it. A Super Puma, super scale, with a Wren turbine. Fantastic, very experienced pilot, but look, just a little bit of left aileron and booyaka. You know, thousands and thousands of pounds worth of damage there. I think that's a Synergy, grass cutting, a Logo. Logos are great helicopters, but they too will pile in if you hit the tail on the ground. Inside again. Crikey. I'm laughing, but I shouldn't be. This is thousands of pounds worth of damage we're seeing here. The old nitros, be careful. Oh, look at that. I think that might be a Super Llama. Beautiful, beautiful aircraft. I do know that this was absolutely destroyed and was not able to be rebuilt. Such a shame.
What's he done? Oh, it's a smoker! It's a smoker!
And of course they all have lithium polymer batteries, and you don't want to pierce them because they will catch fire.
It's alive.
There you go, legends. That was a quick 5-minute look at some of the greatest helicopter crashes out there on the old interweb and the TubeofYou. One of those in there was one of my own helicopters. Any guesses which one? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like this, then, well, do come back. 800 of you are. See you on the next one.